Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful compact amplifiers on the market, the Sundown Audio SFB-1800.5D. This 5-channel Class D amplifier is not just about its impressively small footprint, it's also a testament to Sundown Audio's commitment to high-quality, high-performance car audio gear. Starting off, let's talk about the power output, which is a crucial aspect for any car audio enthusiast. The SFB-1800.5D offers varied power levels based on the impedance of the speakers. At 1 ohm, it pushes an enormous 230 watts through each of the 4 channels, plus a whopping 1410 watts from its 5th channel. This setup is ideal for driving subwoofers and large speakers that demand more power to deliver deep bass and clear, dynamic highs. At 2 ohms, you're looking at 148 watts per 4 channels and 860 watts for the subwoofer channel, still more than sufficient for a robust audio setup. Dropping down to 4 ohms, it provides a gentler 88 watts per 4 channels and 510 watts for the subwoofer channel, which is perfect for those who prefer a balanced sound without overstressing their speakers. The amplifier's design is another highlight. With dimensions measuring just 12 inches by 9 inches by 2.75 inches, it's compact enough to fit in smaller spaces within your vehicle. This makes installation versatile and less cumbersome compared to some of the bulkier options on the market. The SFB-1800.5D's ability to deliver such power in a small package is a significant advantage for car audio systems where space is at a premium. One feature that stands out is the input sensitivity, set at 200 mV. This means the amplifier can effectively convert lower voltage signals from your car's stereo into powerful output without any distortion. This sensitivity ensures that even subtle details in the music are amplified and clearly audible, making your listening experience more enriching. Regarding aesthetics and usability, the SFB-1800.5D has a sleek, modern look with a surface mount type. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.